Most people will never see how a pig becomes the sausages on your plate, until now.
What you eat every day hides a process most people never see. Every large-scale food system begins long before the factory, with controlled farming. Nutrition, timing, and scale are precisely managed at this first stage.
Health monitoring ensures uniform growth across thousands of animals.
Once ready, the supply chain begins to move forward.
This is where farming ends well and industrial processing begins.
Transport links controlled farming directly to industrial production. Conditions are managed even while in motion. Scale demands efficiency across long distances. The processing facility is designed to handle thousands daily. Every arrival is logged, timed, and regulated. Transport concludes where industrial processing begins. This facility is built for precision, volume, and control. Logistics keep the operation continuously moving.
Pigs arrive at the facility where meat processing begins.
The intake area controls how pigs enter the processing system.
From this point forward, pigs move into meat processing.
Work is directed toward preparation and cleaning lines.
Pig meat now enters the industrial processing floor.
Cleaning prepares pig meat for sausage production.
Pig meat is thoroughly washed before further processing. Prepares pork for precise handling.
Pig meat is sorted to match processing requirements.
Human inspection ensures only suitable pork moves forward. Uniform pork portions improve sausage consistency.
Pig meat is now ready to be transformed into sausage.
Pig meat is ground to prepare the base for sausage.
Ground pork is transferred without interruption. Meat and fat are blended to form the sausage base.
Seasoning defines the sausage's character.
The mixture becomes a smooth sausage emulsion.
Sausage production moves into its shaping phase.
Sausage meat is shaped for the first time.
Casings give sausage its familiar form.
Each sausage is shaped to exact standards.
Sausages move vertically through the factory. Heat transforms raw sausage into a finished product. Time and temperature complete the transformation. Automation ensures consistent handling of cooked pork sausages. Precision robotics maintain uniformity and speed. High-tech integration allows smooth workflow across lines.
Safety checks protect quality at every step.
Each sausage is weighed for precision and consistency. Automation connects every process, from cooking to final packing. Sausages are aligned for precise portioning. Each pork sausage is portioned with exact accuracy. Automation ensures neat and hygienic tray loading. Sealing locks in freshness and quality.
Every sausage batch undergoes strict quality checks.
Human oversight complements automation for perfection.
Safety devices catch any foreign materials before distribution.
Laboratory testing verifies freshness, texture, and safety. Monitoring guarantees every sausage is safe for consumption.
Only approved sausages proceed to storage and dispatch.
Automation stacks sausages efficiently for storage. Automation stacks sausages efficiently for storage.
Shrink wrapping ensures safe and hygienic transport.
Products are stored under strict environmental control.
Pork sausages are now ready to reach retail destinations.
The journey of sausage from pig farm to factory concludes here.
And this is how modern factories produce pork sausages from start to finish.